In this video we show you how to add barcodes to an access report.
Open your report. Switch to the design view. Make some room for the barcode. In Report Design, click on More Controls. Select ActiveX Controls. Choose Active Barcode from that list and click OK. Move the barcode to its desired position. Open the property sheet. Now bind the barcode to a data field. To do so, select the desired data field as control source. Finally, switch to Report View to see the result.
Visit activebarcode.com for more tutorials and a free trial.